SVR.
If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself
After this
from
tour.
flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains
Go.
in effect until 6:45
Wait for the tour.
a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county.
Chicken.
Mississippi. Here is the forecast for the Mississippi Gulf Coast, including Gulfport and Biloxi.
Go.
Today, mostly cloudy this morning, then
LIX.
becoming mostly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the
Including
lower 80s.
Biloxi.
South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%. Tonight, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. In New Orleans has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Harrison County in southern Mississippi, southern Jackson County in southern Mississippi, until 7:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:38 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Biloxi, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, Gulfport East House recorded a 68 miles per hour wind gust. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gulfport, Biloxi, Ocean Springs, Moss Point, St. Martin, Escatawpa, Gautier, Gilbertville, Latimer, Helena, Gulf Hills, Gulf Park Estates, Hickory Hills, and Van Cleve. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 10 in Mississippi between mile markers 42 and 76. Interstate 110 in Mississippi between mile markers 1 and 4. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Yep, there it goes. It just went over iron, Bob. 67 miles per hour. Shut up.
The National Weather Service